Hello, my name's Tom, and I'm really excited to be out here in Japan thanks to Taith and Avan, so thank you for the opportunity. I'm a dancer, a popper from Wrexham, and I've been dancing for 16 years now, and I've got to say, coming out to Japan is like nothing I've ever experienced before. Being around the culture, seeing all of the opportunities for dance, especially how vibrant the different styles are. The opportunities is like nothing that I've experienced in Wrexham, and it's something that I'm very excited to take that influence and bring it back. An example would be the salsa nights, where it's not just about the dance classes, but it's about the social element too. It's about people getting together and dancing together, and a lot of people would turn out to the classes as well. So yeah, it's been really, really cool to be out here. Something that was really cool to experience while I was out here is taking some of the popping classes that are on. In Wrexham, there's not a lot of opportunity to take these type of classes, but here in Tokyo, the level of the dancers is so high. So it was really inspiring for myself to be able to take class that I wouldn't normally have the opportunity to experience. And even the teachers, the level of the teachers was high, but even the younger kids in the class, some of them like 10 years old, and their level, the discipline that they have with the dance is like nothing I've ever seen before. So it was very, very inspiring for me, and definitely something that makes me think about how can we, even with my own classes, how can we start to take that influence and start to elevate the younger generation so that they're taking dance more seriously, that we start to foster environments within class which really start to bring out these high level dancers, people who are passionate about not just the dance but the wider culture. So that's something that's been very impactful for me while I've been out here.